Hi and hello there everyone. So nagbabalik ang ating stalking time na parang medyo matagal-tagal din nating hindi nagawa. So yan, kakakita lang natin ngayon, no, you could be seeing a lot of number 1111s, no, particularly, specifically, no, pero others you could be seeing yung mga repeating numbers like 22, 33, 44, no, 55, whatever that is, no. Pero yung iba, particularly 1111, no. So it looks like you're on the right path right here, okay? It looks like this is something here meant for you. So let us see. Yeah, you could be seeing a lot of synchronicities, signs that this is something here meant for you. Wow, let us see what do we have here for you guys. Hi and hello sa ating mga new subscribers. Returning tambayers, thank you sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. By the way, new subscribers, my name is Yan, short for Marian. Yan. So, yun nga, no? Thank you so much, everyone. So, kung hindi niyo pa knows, mga mahal, no? Kahit yung aking mga tambayers, meron pa tayong other channel. Link is down below sa ating description box. So, if interesado, i-click lamang yung link na yan para kayo ay mapunta there, no? At araw-araw may ina-upload din tayo doon, no? Na collective readings for all signs, okay? At syempre, kung hanap ninyo mga babes, no, ay ang mga reading per zodiac sign, meron tayo nandito sa ating main channel. So just take only what resonates. Thank you so much, Archangel Michael, Angel Guides. So let us see what do we have here for you guys. We have here, give your relationship a chance. Work on your partnership. So it looks like this is something here. No, actually, I don't feel like that this is your ex. Okay, for some reason, it's not the vibe. Actually, I'm getting a strong energy that this is something here like a new person, new love popping out for you guys, no? Pero with some kind of old flames, no? But not past lover, but past life lover ninyo. It looks like there's a union right here and look at those angel wings. It looks like, no, kayo ay muli rito magtatagpo at bibigyan ni universe ng chance ang inyong relationship, no? At tandaan ninyo, madalas tayo nakakuha ng reading about past life at people, no, coming together in union, no, sa kanilang soul to soul connection. So these are repeated messages na parang tinatawag ang iyong attention. See, you're meant for this, no? Ibig sabihin, you're meant for this, especially kung makakapagsimula ka ng makakita ng mga synchronicities, no? And repeating numbers, okay? Yung iba particularly, 1111. So we have here this, let your friends help you, ask for and accept support from others. Yan, no? So nakita ko dito ng energy na posibleng, okay, magkatagpo kayong dalawa sa pamamagitan ng common na kakilala, common friends, common individual dito, no? And it looks like, no, nakikita ko dito na yung iba, no, is parang pagmamachi-machi or parang aasarin kayo sa isa't isa, no? Uso yung ganyan yung love team, love team. Kaya nga yung iba diyan nagkaka-developan at posibleng diyan rin kayo magka-developan, no? At pwedeng mag-start kayo as friends hanggang sa magka-developan na kayo, no? Tawag ng iba magka-Kodak. Hindi pa tayo endorser ng brand na yan, no? Pero yun nga, no? Parang magka-developan. So, let us see more. We have here, release your ex. See, told you guys, this is not your ex right here. So, forget about your ex, okay? Because the vibe is really strong. It gives me this type of sense na ito ay new person, pero siya yung past life lover mo. So, the time has come to clear your energy. Kaya kung iniisip mo pa yung wala mong kwentang ex, no, kalimutan mo na siya. Dahil parating na rito na ang iyong past life lover. So, nakikita ko rito, ayan, no, angel wings na naman, no? So, talagang binibigyan ka rito ng advice, mga babes, no, ng iyong angel guides na. Okay? Your ex is not someone meant for you. But there's this very strong soulmate from your past life at yun yung meant for you. Yan. So definitely, you're on the right track, no, to be reunited with your past life lover. Listen to the spirits. Yeah, see, look at that. See, past life relationship. Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, no, kaya ito ay nagsusumigaw dito, no. Paulit-ulit kami siyan. Ayan na nga, oh. You know, kasi nga ito yung sinasabi sa atin ng mga angel guides ninyo, no, ng spirits right here ni universe. You have known each other before. Basa, past life relationship. This person right here is yung talagang nakasalo mo sa isang mainit na pagmamahal, nagmamahalan kayong dalawa, no? At itong tao na 'to ay muling magbabalik sa iyong buhay dito na nakikita natin dito. Kaya naman, the universe itself will give this relationship one more chance. Yan. So we have here this healing family issues. Wow, buti naman kung meron kayo rito na parang may mga humahadlang, pamilya noon, nung past life event ninyong dalawa, no, wala na yan. Kasi nag-heal na yan ngayon, no? Yeah, talagang itong pagkakataon na to ay reunion talaga sa inyong dalawa. Maayos na rito ang pamilya, wala na rito yung mga parang ano, layuan mong anak ko, mga ganyan. Hindi ka nababagay sa aking anak, no? Wala na mga ganong peg. So ngayon ay malaya nyo ng mamahalin ng isa't isa at wala na ritong sasagabal, mapapamilya man or mga humahadlang na ng mga usyoso at usyosa, yan. Wala nang gano'n. At alam ko na gusto ninyo marinig, no, kung may third party ba diyan, wala ring lalong gano'n, no. So napakaganda ng inyong reunion ngayon in this world. See, worth waiting for. Naghintayan talaga kayong dalawa dito. Tingnan mo 'yan, no. Angels talaga, 2 angels ito, no. Angel niya, angel mo, no. Talagang kayo ay sinubaybayan nito from your past life pa lang hanggang dito sa inyo ulit na parehas kayo na reborn or na-reincarnate, no, and divine timing ang tawag doon. Divine timing is at work ngayon na in your love life, no? Kaya naman sabi ko sa inyo, the universe is really working on this one. So listen, listen guys, no? Tandaan ninyo, hindi pa nga ito nagsisilabasan lahat. Paulit-ulit kong sinasabi yung past life, ayan na, hanggang sa pinakita na talaga sa inyo, no? Yan. So, we have here, bottom of the deck, we have the keep an open mind. See? Okay? Ibig sabihin mga babes, listen to your intuition. Whatever it is that is about to happen in your love life is definitely fully connected with your past life event, no? And this is someone here na nakikita ko rito, no? Na magtatagpo kayong dalawa at tatamaan kayo ulit, no? Ng pagmamahal dito. The Cupid is right here, no? At mukhang yung mga friends mo, yung mga circle of friends mo, yung mga kaibigan mo, yung mga minamahal mo, and even your family, baka family members, no, ang maging bridge para kayong dalawa ay magkatagpo muli. So yeah, let's see more from the tarot. Yan, no, saktong-sakto vintage looking ang atin rito, no, na tarot deck at talaga namang bagay na bagay sa past life event. So tingnan natin kung anong klase, no, ang pwede pang maidagdag na mga informations dito patungkol sa inyo. Love life. Okay, let's go. So, we have here the lovers. See? Wow! Lovers energy right here is an indication, no, na no mountains can definitely, no, ang haharang-harang dito. Kung sa universe lang din naman mga babes, no, ang gagawa ng paraan upang kayong dalawa ay magtagpong muli, no. You're both naked right here, no, not because you're both for birth. But because this is you, no, na para kayo ritong ibinabalik, you are being reborn back into each other's arms because you're meant to be. Okay? As simple as that, sweetheart, no? Seven of Wands is an indication that this time, whatever it is, no, wala nang kailangang ilaban, hindi na kailangang ilaban ng pag-iibigan dito dahil wala naman tayo nakikitang hahadlang. Because the universe itself, no, is guaranteeing you guys that they will be the one in charge, no, na pag meron ditong sumulpot na challenges, hihipa nila palayo. Ganun ka lupit, no, yung kanila ritong pagbibigay ng one more chance sa inyong naudlot na relasyon sa inyong past life. See, that energy right here is an indication na tapos na rito, no, yung mga parang mga masasalimuot na nangyari sa inyo. That right here is a symbol of new beginning. The sun is rising sa east. Look at that. The sun is rising sa east. Okay? Mas malaki na ito doon sa bridge, no? Ito kasing bridge na to, ang moon card energy bridge. Kaya ito ay mas malaki na, no? Hindi na ito malungkot for you guys, no? This is a new beginning here for both of you. That's what I'm picking up, no? And kung ano man ito, definitely magiging happy kayo in this lifetime, no? The sun is definitely, no, very radiant right here, no? Talagang nag-illuminate rito, no? Talagang magiging happy kayo this lifetime. Page of Wands energy, I'm seeing, no, that you will be both familiar with each other sa feelings, Sa emotions, parang nakilala ko na siya, ba't ang gaan ng loob ko sa kanya, all of those things are not just deja vu. Those things, no, ay talagang nagre-resurface kasi kayong dalawa yon, no, yung nagtagpo sa inyong past life right here. Star card energy, wish fulfillment, no, kasi maybe this is you wish, no, nung time na yon, no, na sana kung marireborn kayong dalawa rito at muli kayong magkakasama, sana maging malaya na kayo, no, to love each other. And then voila! Okay, this is it, pansit. No, nakikita ko na mamahalin niyo isa't isa at mapapahayag ninyo Page of Wands energy ng pagiging flirty ninyo. Ang pagiging sweet ninyo sa isa't isa ng walang hahadlang. Na see, both of you are offering right here, no, and I'm seeing you creating a family with pages right here, no. So LGBTQs, of course, welcome din kayo. Okay, nakita ko kayo rito na this is your companion here for your life and you're gonna start a new fresh start with the page. No, nakikita ko rito na itong dalawa talaga na ito na energy, passion, and stability, permanency, and security sa inyong love life. Bottom of the deck, we have here this Nine of Swords energy, okay, Seven of Swords right in here, and the Ace of Coins. See? So, nakikita ko dito na makakapag-start talaga kayo, no, ng bonggang-bongga rito, no, kasi itong klase ng energy na to with the Nine of Swords right in here, Seven of Swords, no, the universe right here, no, is, ayan, no, magiging maingat dito, no? This is protection, no? The universe is protecting this connection from you guys, no? Na alalahanin ulit na baka maulit na naman yung nangyari na masalimuot sa inyong past life, no? Kasi this time, bibigyan talaga nila kayo rito, yan, no? This is the universe hand right here, and this is a very big fresh start, no? Wherein itong field na to na malinis, no? Talagang makakabuo kayo rito ng isang maayos na relationship, no? So, hindi hahayaan ni universe. You're being protected. Your angel guides are right here. You're being protected from any worries. That's what I'm seeing from here, guys. Wow! You know, okay, hindi lahat ng love story ay nabibigyan ng pagkakataon, no? Pero kayong dalawa, parehas ninyong naipamalas dito, no? Na kahit ang kamatayan or ang kahit naritong paghahadlang ng inyong pag-iibigan, no, ay kayang tumawid ng susunod na time period or henerasyon, no? Kaya nakita ko rito na binigyan kayo ng pagkakataon dito dahil ipinamalas ninyo, ipinakita ninyo kay universe na kayong dalawa ay karapat-dapat, no, na magtagpong muli, no? Dahil parehas kayo rito nagpapakita ng balanse at parehas kayo rito nagpapakita ng parehas na emosyon, pagmamahal para sa isa't isa, no? Isang wagas na pag-iibigan ng ating nakikita rito. Kaya naman, wow, no, I'm seeing you right here, no, na mas magiging happy kayo ngayon. And I love, no, kapag ang mga Junakis ko ay talagang nagiging happy, especially when it comes to their love life, no. Lalo na yung mga dumaan dyan sa mga ex na walang kwenta. Yung mga pinaglalaban, wala namang kwenta, 'di ba? Eto na yun, mga babes, no. Forget about your ex because your true person is coming for you. I'm coming for you. Oh, kumanta. So yeah, we have here initials. I know you're waiting for this. So are you ready? We have lots of initials right here. Might be parts of your letters right here. Letters, initials niya. First name, first letter, whatever that is. Okay, let's go. We have here letter D. We also have here the letter Y. Plus nandito din ang letter E. Andito rin ang letter I. Andito rin ang letter M. Andito rin at hindi mawawala ang letter U. And last but not the least, we have here the letter H. So, yan mga babes na. And we have here only one number. Okay? We have here number 6. Okay? 6 is an indication that this is a undeniably a soul-to-soul connection. You are both soulmates right here and you are both meant to be together. So yeah, these are all the messages I've got right here for you, sweethearts. Thank you so much for your time and isang malaking privilege ito for me, no, as your psychic medium to see this event na talaga naman, no, na very amazing para sa aking mga tagapakinig at viewers dito. So thank you so much. Again, I'm your Yana, only for the girls, and Yana Duna for the boys. Sarang hiya, love and light, mga mahal. And you.